Now, to the profile. First thing that we're going to do is go over to our handy dandy chart. Let's see, we do the secondary display. You'll see these lines in my charts. And I don't know if you notice here, but price is bouncing off of this line and off that line. And you wonder, how'd that line get there, Ernie? What is that line? And over here, it was finding resistance, and etc. And if you go back for a long time, you'll see that this sort of thing happens. But anyways, these lines are drawn directly from the profile. They're used to show where there is an abrupt change in volume in the long run. Right now, I'm just looking at a 45-minute chart. It's only showing a couple of weeks worth of data. So the profile that we see for that couple of weeks doesn't have the same power that the profiles that go back a year or 2 years. And that's what we concentrate on. So all of these lines are created from the bigger profile, the more inclusive profile, because of that concept that I said before, market memory. All right, so the first thing that we do is we go to our daily chart. We're on the E-mini S&P futures. We're going to do the profile both for the E-mini S&P as well as the NASDAQ. And you can see I already have some lines in here, and I'm going to erase all of them and bring in new lines so that we can do this all over again so you can see exactly what's going on. So let's remove all the drawings, starting completely fresh. Now, as you can see, the volume profile, the way I have it set up is super simple. I get rid of the high value level and the low value level. Those are totally unnecessary. I also get rid of the up and down volume, totally unnecessary. So the other thing I do is I extend it way out so that it accentuates the size of the nodes and the valleys here. And that's important so that I can very clearly see where the edges of those. It's because the abrupt changes in volume, those are the inflection points in the market. Those are the points that you have to identify so that when you zoom in, you can see those lines, see where those abrupt changes are, and that's what's going to be providing your real-time support and resistance and your liquid and illiquid zones, and also give you a great insight to the potential behavior of price as it traverses. That allows you to create scenarios in your trading. So in your day trading, so you can come up with a number of different scenarios, a bullish, a bearish, and maybe one that's sort of consolidating or whatever. And the lines that we're going to draw are going to directly impact how you're going to set up your trades. So that's the power of volume profile. So the first thing that we do is, as I said, we set up our profile correctly. We extend it way out so it's accentuated, exaggerated. Now we're using TradingView, by the way, and TradingView is by far has the best implementation of volume profile for the price of any other tool out there. If you're thinking, hey, I'm going to use the free version on TOS, don't, because you will just be crazed by the inaccuracy and very poor performance of the TOS version. There are many others that are out there, and I've tried them all. I've been using this for more than a decade, and I'm telling you, TradingView, bar none, is the absolute best. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that. I'm telling you straight up, this is the tool that you need to use.